today we're gonna give you some good information that might help you, level up. And that information today comes in the form of business grants for Black women, plus the other, free resources. So this article by NerdWallet.com, written by Rosalie Murphy and Sally Lauckner, they're the authors of this article. So I want to give them their props, and their information, and the link will be included in the video. But let's get to it. You know, it's a gang of these grants. It's like probably about damn near 40 of these things. But we only gonna highlight like probably about two or three of them real quick, just so you can kind of get an idea of what's popping. So we'll jump down to number 7, which is the Amber Grant Foundation. This particular grant awards up to 10,000 to help female entrepreneurs launch their businesses. And if you are awarded one of these grants, you'll also be in the running to win the $25,000 grant. So that sounds like plenty of incentive to, you get 10,000, and if you get the 10,000, then you'll be entered to get 25,000 more. That's 35 racks potentially. You better go get it, you know. And you only have to pay a $15 application fee, and of course you gotta fill out the form and talk about your business idea and how you would fill out the money. And in today's, with today's technology and stuff like tools like ChatGPT, I'm sure you could plug that on in there along with your idea to at least kind of get some kind of little essay or whatever put together real quick to flesh out that idea before you, tune it up, fine tune it, personalize it a little bit more. Next, let's see what else they got here. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, a lot of these grants, as I'm looking through, you have to have been in business for at least 1 year or 3 years, But that one that which was number 7 on the list, the Amber Grant Foundation, you don't have to have any business set up yet, so that's good. Let's see what else they got here. Jump on down into the 20s here. Let's see. Oh, look at this. NAACP and Leslie's Inc. Certification Boost Grant. Food businesses that are at least 51% owned by a person of color and a woman or a person with a disability may be eligible to apply for this grant, which is a partnership between NAACP and Leslie's Inc. Your business must be headquartered in Arizona, California, Florida, Georgia, Texas. And applications for this $5,000 grant. Oh, missed that one. So next, that one looks like it ended. The application period ended September 8th. Let's see. Close. August 13th. Why did they put one? Let me go back to the top here. Yeah, this article was published like last week. So why do they have grants, or there's plenty that's still valid, or that's still open, so to speak. But I do notice that there are a handful that have it. Well, this one, the Start Her Grant number 9, will award $5,000 grants to 25 Texas-based women entrepreneurs. The current cycle runs from September 22nd to October 20th. That might be a good one for who's in Texas. So you got about almost week, a little over a week if you want to apply for $5,000, $5,000 grant. See, now I gotta look a little deeper here. Now let's see. whatever this grant is, Founders First Job Creators Quest Grant. Applications accepted from October 17th to November. Okay, so yeah, so overall, even though there's some, you know, items on the list that may have already expired, a lot of them are still open, so to speak. You have time to get in where you fit in if you're trying to get this free money that these different organizations are offering. So with that, let's get down to some of the free resources. Let's see. $500 credit towards startup costs for the Amazon seller account, blah, 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 grants.gov, SBA, business development program. All right. Yeah, pretty interesting. But nevertheless, I recommend y'all just come through here and check out this list. Like I said, it's damn near, it's 35 different grants for black women to check out if they want to get some free money to support their already existing, or if they're trying to get funds to start up a business. And thank you.